received this morning. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. As I proceed, my first question, Waziri, was what is the current annual budget?
Senator Tabitha.
Yes.
Are you saying that since the response has been received this morning, you are unable to interrogate that response effectively? Is that your position? Or despite it having been received this morning, you are still comfortable interrogating the response? If that is the case, then you may proceed to...
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The response has been received this morning at exactly 9:30 as the chamber was starting. Luckily, I've been able to go through the responses, and I'm okay. We can be able to engage. My first question, Waziri, is what is the current annual budget allocation for Linda Mama program and how these funds are being distributed across the 47 counties and public health facilities, including a breakdown of allocations for financial year 2024-2025 to date under SHA, or the Service Health Insurance Fund, that is SHIF. Mr. Speaker, the second question: has the benefit package of Linda Mama changed the following his transition under SHIF? And if so, what are the specific changes in coverage, benefit amounts for normal and cesarean deliveries, and eligibility criteria? Number 3, Mr. Speaker, what safeguards are in place to ensure that funds allocated to Linda Mama are used exclusively for maternal and child health services, and that indigent mothers, especially in rural and marginalized areas, receive full benefits without undue delay? And lastly, Mr. Speaker, what steps the ministry has taken to ensure access to Linda Mama services under-resourced or understaffed health facilities, and how it is addressing barriers faced by mothers in remote and hard-to-reach areas under SHIF structure? Mr. Speaker, I submit my questions.
Honorable CS, you may now proceed to respond.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker and honorable senators. Let me, Mr. Speaker, first apologize, and I think it's on